Early 1990s Whelen and Austin Electronics Crossbar. This is a redo of a project that I had done a few years ago and posted a video on. This takes products available in the early to mid 1990s from Whelen, both strobes, beacons, speakers, and a crossbar at the end of when they were offering crossbars as a main product line. And it combines those and makes essentially a crossbar, dual beacon crossbar with inboard strobes and a speaker. There'll be three power supplies, a UPS 52 double flash, a UPS 52C Comet, and a value pack Comet. We'll run through those. The double flash will come first, then the value pack, and then the Comet Flash 52C. All of these were offered in the time period when the other parts of this were made. The bar itself is cleaned up. The previous version in red and blue that I had made had some sheet metal screws used because I was kind of in a hurry, and the harness was not pretty, and I also wanted to go red and clear, and I happen to have these two Austin Electronics beacons which offer the sealed beams, which I thought was a better crossbar than the lighthouse style halogen bulb that I had in the previous version. And I only around that time period, I was only seeing crossbar type setups on volunteer vehicles, at least where I lived. And so I think this is a little bit more true to what I remember from the era, being that it would be the colors that a volunteer would have used around here instead of trying to simulate a police setup that probably wouldn't have still been seen around that time. This video is just mostly footage of the completed project on the various power supplies, and I'll run through them at some different angles. There's not a whole lot of history here other than all the products were offered in the early 90s, either by Austin, Whelen, or both, and they combined to make the crossbar you're looking at. So enjoy the different power supplies and the different views, and thanks for watching.